Welcome back to my channel. Are you looking for a delicious way to boost your protein intake while indulging your sweet tooth without compromising your health goals? Look no further than the chocolate strawberry protein smoothie featuring CACAO Bliss. This smoothie is not only a treat to your taste buds but also a boon to your health, especially if you're aiming for weight loss. Let's dive into how this delightful concoction can be both a nutritious powerhouse and a guilt-free indulgence. Why choose CACAO Bliss? CACAO Bliss, a key ingredient in this smoothie, is more than just a chocolate powder. It's a blend designed to elevate your health and pleasure. Here are some compelling reasons to incorporate CACAO Bliss into your diet. Rich in antioxidants, CACAO Bliss contains raw cacao, known for its high antioxidant content. These antioxidants help combat free radicals, which can cause oxidative stress and damage to your cells. Mood enhancing, raw cacao boosts the production of anandamide, often referred to as the bliss molecule, which helps improve mood and alleviate depression symptoms. Supports weight loss, the fiber in raw cacao can help keep you fuller longer, reducing the urge to snack unnecessarily. Moreover, cacao can boost metabolism, aiding in burning fat more effectively. Heart health, flavonols in cacao improve nitric oxide levels in the blood, which can enhance blood vessel function and lower blood pressure. Chocolate strawberry protein smoothie recipe. Now, let's get to the exciting part, making your very own chocolate strawberry protein smoothie with CACAO Bliss. This recipe is quick, easy, and sure to satisfy your cravings while helping you stay on track with your fitness goals. Ingredients: 1 cup frozen strawberries, 1 ripe banana, sliced, 1 scoop of protein powder, preferably vanilla or unflavored, 2 tablespoons CACAO Bliss, 1 cup unsweetened almond milk, a handful of spinach, optional, for an extra nutrient boost, ice cubes, optional, depending on your preference for thickness. Instructions: 1. Gather all ingredients. This will speed up the blending process and ensure a smooth consistency. 2. Blend the base. In your blender, combine the frozen strawberries, banana, and almond milk. Blend until the mixture is smooth. 3. Add the proteins and flavors, add the protein powder, CACAO Bliss, and if you're using spinach. Blend again until all ingredients are well incorporated and the smoothie has a creamy texture. Add ice cubes if you prefer a thicker smoothie. 4. Taste and adjust, give your smoothie a taste. If you desire a bit more sweetness, consider adding a teaspoon of honey or a splash of vanilla extract. 5. Blend briefly once more to mix these in. Serve, pour the smoothie into a tall glass or a bowl, garnish with a few strawberry slices or a sprinkle of cacao nibs for an extra chocolatey crunch, and enjoy. The chocolate strawberry protein smoothie with CACAO Bliss is more than just a treat, it's a nutrient-rich, mood-enhancing, and weight-friendly beverage that's perfect for any time of the day. Whether you're starting your morning, need a midday pick-me-up, or are looking for a post-workout refresher, this smoothie fits all occasions. Embrace the taste, and enjoy the multitude of health benefits it brings to your table. The link to CACAO Bliss is in the description. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day.